guys, my name is Ava and this is my channel, Ava Revere, where we talk about all things health, wellness, and today we're cooking with seaweed. We're making a green smoothie and we are using my product, SeaShot. This is a micronized kelp, so it is very finely ground, and the particle size, it just disintegrates into food and when we cook with it. So this is a really great source of iodine and trace minerals, calcium. It has more calcium than a glass of milk, which is pretty crazy. So let's get into it. Alright, so I put ginger kombucha in here already, and I filled it to about 2 cups. And I did some frozen bananas and just a couple strawberries in here too, but not many strawberries. Now I have frozen ginger. I'm going to cut this up and throw it in here. I also ozonated my celery and I ozonated my kale. So we're gonna put some of this in here. Okay, now I am going to open this up. It's a beautiful color so far. It's really nice. And then I'm going to do, I have my little teaspoon here. I'm going to do a teaspoon here. We're going to see how this tastes. We're going to add the rest of the celery. Alright, so here's the smoothie, and this came out so good. It's delicious. The SeaShot, I could have added a little bit more SeaShot in it, but now I know for next time. Because this is my first time doing this, I thought it would be a good combination, and it's a really good combination. And I'm not a green smoothie person either, so that's a lot coming from me. This is the SeaShot. You can buy this on SeaShot.net or Etsy. I will leave the link below. And this is just a great product. For more information, go on our website. There's a QR code on the back. Oh, this is the label about the QR code. There should be a QR code on here, but there's not. Yeah, so this is how you can use my product.